Ano ba ang benefits ng undercoating? Stick around kasi magugulat ka sa last part. Una sa lahat is sound deadening and vibration reduction. Yung undercoat, nag-a-act siya as another layer for your undercarriage surface. Sound deadening meaning nire-reduce niya yung noise pollution galing sa labas. Second is extended lifespan of your undercarriage. Dahil may isa pang layer yung undercarriage mo, that would mean na instead mga lawing kotse mo this year, baka next year na. De, joke lang. Pero, para ba namang may armor sa ilalim? Third is heat insulation. Nire-reduce ng undercoating yung heat transfer ng kalsada to the undercarriage. So, more comfort pag magdadrive ka on a hot day. And last of all, we got improved resale value. No, hindi siya tulad ni ceramic coating. Pero the fact na naka-undercoat ka means extended lifespan and either hindi pa rust damaged or medyo may allowance pa before rust reaches the undercarriage. Baka dito, makaiwas na tayo ng mga malakas mangbarat kasi may